I think the Encore program is a great program. Overall productivity, it has increased it substantially. My name is Jim Shelf. I'm the operations manager for Universal Pure in Lincoln, Nebraska. We're a cold storage warehouse and a distribution center. Our operation runs 24 hours a day for 5 days a week, so we need to have a forklift that we can rely on and depend on. In the past, when we've looked at purchases, we've always gone onto the used market. Our maintenance team, because of the size of our older fleet, had spent a lot of time keeping older forklifts running in order to keep them operational. The Encore program has been great because it's given us the opportunity to buy a piece of equipment that is very close to new. My expectation was that we would get a good used piece of equipment. When that machine showed up at our door, I was ecstatic. It looked like a brand new piece of equipment that rolled off that trailer, and I was stoked.
The Encore equipment has reduced maintenance compared to the old equipment that it replaced, and it's definitely increased uptime.
I think the Encore program is a great program. Overall productivity, it has increased it substantially.